Yo, what's up everybody? We just arrived to Uluwatu, to one of the very popular beach long time ago for surfers, Balangan Beach. You might be familiar, especially if you are a surfer, but I don't know what's really happened here. It's sunset within 30 minutes and nobody is here. I mean, there are few people, most of the bars are closed, and overall, I mean, actually not too many people around us. What do you think? I'm gonna tell you, I've been here filming during the pandemic, it was busy. Now, after pandemic, 1 year after pandemic, it's quiet. I'm starting don't understand things in Bali nowadays.
Yeah.
It's just weird, but looks a little bit depressing, to be honest.
Well, basically, this Balangan Beach is famous for the mostly Westerner surfers, right? But seems like maybe because of the low tide today, not many people are coming, but
but
we will show you.
At least there should be some people sunbathing and strolling around, but they are none. But behind you, Sayang, there is funny music lah.
Surprisingly, you know, until this Balangan Beach, there is one beach club. That one. We cannot record there because
They
I don't
charge
know.
500,000 for filming.
This is the first time I,
Second time. It
second
was
time.
one time somewhere,
Okay,
yeah.
this is the second time we were in a beach club, but whenever we want to record there, they said that you have to pay about 500,000 rupiah. So the music also.
They're loose, but there is, and there are overall bars like this one. That's only the bar where are some people sitting there, at least few of them, and overall that's the vibe. It's supposed to be a little bit different, but this is it. At least some surfers going right now. To give you a perspective point of view one more time, there is one family chilling with the kids. They are two girls sunbathing. There's one guy going inside the warung. There are a few doggos times. And overall, I will zoom it a little bit for you. Really weird times. And of course the low tide, but I was here last time. There was so many people at this sunbathing during the low tide. So it's the Balangan in 2023 comprehensive review, Sayang, isn't it? At least there are two ladies enjoying their coconut and sunbathing, and here lovely couple. But after that, really, really quiet. And there is the sunset point. I see also only 5 people. I'm pretty sure this is mostly because, like I said already a few times, as the international visitors declined in Bali due to many reasons. And also another thing is, seems like a local Indonesian tourists don't coming to this place because it's simply not attractive for them. Maybe beach club is too small, not as big as Atlas, for example. Or maybe because actually you cannot film inside the beach club, so they don't coming there because how they can make a picture there. So basically that's it. But pity, as they are not surfers, not many surfers, and everything looks kinda deserted in general and run down, unfortunately.
Well, basically this is the look of the warung. Mostly like they have a rustic vibes here, right? It's not that fancy, and actually this is the real surfer vibe, right? Easy going after surfing, having a nasi goreng and cold bintang. This is what the surfers
like
are
Bali,
looking for
like Bali in
Bali,
1970s.
Right? Yes. So yeah, this is it. We will explore.
The
we will
village.
show you the village actually. How it is the village, the development.
Basically, we are going up here, so it has a perfect opportunity to show you how rustic is it and how they were building this place. So this is it. Also sunset gonna be soon. Some people just came right now. And yeah, they're a little rubbish as well, but that's okay. This is the vibe of Balangan Beach. Outside there's the parking area, of course. People parking here, and they seems like they're building some new road. So perhaps maybe one day they're gonna build some hotel here or something. Happy surfers driving. This is it. Now it's time for us to having a spin around a little bit. All right.
So we stroll around to showing you how it is basically the area of the
Nice
Balangan.
cows actually. That pity as they eating rubbish, but after that it's nice. Overall idea of today's video was to show you a little bit of the beach, but also the village of Balangan, because this is the part of Uluwatu what didn't get so much developed yet. I mean, of course, the roads are like this one, and there are some hotels, actually bars or something, but I think the abandoned one here, I'm not sure if it's open or not. Maybe
I
it's
think
open.
it's open, honey. Look, Wild
Maybe
Palm
it's
Balangan.
open actually. But the point is, as a lot of local people still living in Uluwatu, how they used to live in Uluwatu vibes. So with the houses, small houses, and we're gonna show you. But after this hill, there's really nice view of the cows. A lot of cows, big and small, full families. They still having a bell on the necks, like in Alp cows actually. So it's actually very cool, very interesting. Big bus coming with some people for the sunset. And this is actually a nice contrast how something big and fancy like this, Costa Azzurra villas, it's built between the local houses and empty lands in Uluwatu, basically a little bit on the middle of nowhere. If you book it on Airbnb and you arrive at night, you may be interested, where are you going? But here is the restaurant actually, looks pretty okay. On the
this one even resort, honey. They have like the style, just like this one. Look, on the left, even villa.
Yeah,
Wow.
Villa Balangan. Well, some people build fancy stuff here in general. Jalan Balangan. That's the main street going to Balangan Beach, actually. And we're gonna show you a little bit environment, what's going on here for the next few minutes. It's been a really while when we were filming here. Somebody were building very huge house here, but it's totally abandoned, like already for a few years. But it's supposed to be big villa. But
It's so pity that people started building something and left it abandoned.
yeah, this is actually pity and also interesting why they are doing it. Usually this is because of wrong investment. People change their mind or money run out, or they simply change mind and postpone and go away. That's
So look
also
at this.
happen.
This one also, I think, villas.
Yeah, nice villa and also little warung. Chickens, sounds of the chickens and some people going to the beach. But it's really very quiet on the beach for some reason. And overall, that's the situation on the main road. Not that much is going on. Also, you're not gonna find the crowds here. Perhaps you wanna go somewhere in Bali without the crowds, and on the way you still wanna feel the local vibe. Actually, Balangan could be good for you because you see, you can find the vibes like this one. Pretty local vibes still, mixed with tourism and everything. But you have cows. They smoke something like a
They
bell.
burn the rubbish.
Yeah, and the cows and the chickens in it. So an empty land here with the some hut inside. So
Yeah,
it's
this is the driest part of Bali, right?
yeah, driest part of Bali, but it's interesting actually. You can feel a little bit different vibe than anywhere elsewhere, that's for sure. And also, I believe some of plots of this land, they are already sold. Some of them, they are for sale, because I just see the signs time to time. I believe some people having ideas to build something here, but everything is going very slow here, that's for sure. This area didn't change that much since many years back to compare to the other parts of Bali. But here, for
look at
example,
this.
they're building something. They're not working right now, but they're building something, some villas or something gonna be. Also, on the way here, there are a few restaurants, temple, for example, as well, because mostly Balinese people actually living in this part of Uluwatu still. But you can find also a lot of gaps like this one, where just literally nothing is here. But that's
Yeah,
the
I
beauty
think-
of Uluwatu, right?
Yeah, so I think this part of Bali, the only part that doesn't grow rice paddies, right, honey?
Yeah, it's
Just dry.
it's totally different than the the Ubud one or Tabanan, for example, right? That's for sure.
Oh,
But-
nice
but-
supermarket here.
But also, except this is the market, it's very hard to handle business here for some reason. From the perspective, business point of view, it's very, very hard to make a successful business in this part of Uluwatu. Not sure why it's like that, but it is. However, yeah, some people have a nice villas time to time. I believe the land here was pretty cheap not so long ago. And well, nice restaurant here actually recently. So this is it, this is it. And time to time some people still building something, of course, right? But some guy is taking paper. A lot of cows. This is very like a Uluwatu landscape, and some other islands of Indonesia have it as well like that. Especially if you go east from Bali, the vibe will be like this one, starting from Lombok, Sumbawa, Flores, Sumba. You will see like this one in eastern Indonesia. But hold on, I will stop here. I want to show you only, I see all the time this signs like for rent, land, what's up. So basically all of this land, what you see here, even is empty right now. Then there are cows and chickens only there, but it's able for sale or for rent. So it is it. But that's it, let's go. Also here on the other side of the street there is nice house. This is actually house the originally Uluwatu people in Bali they used to live, and they still living like this actually. So it's actually very, very interesting. This is how it looks the situation here. Okay, let's go more. Let's see what else we can find here. At the end of this street, the interesting fact is, as there is the Reina Sound Hotel in Uluwatu, but something here is going big. As you can see, Cendana Villas or something like this, 222 meters. I don't know. They have a sales gallery already, marketing gallery. So they're gonna build something for sure. And there is the house already. And somebody have a garage here, and little warung.
Little warung here.
Yeah, I mean, you can still find a place for cheap nasi goreng here. That's for sure. Also, this one Mexican place here, they opened a few years ago and they still handle it. So, but doesn't look optimistic. I mean, not too many people. More closer to the central Uluwatu you go, which means more far from the beach. A little bit more establishments gonna be. There's little skate park here. There was also some Alchemist restaurant long time ago. During pandemic was open, but it's closed now. Actually, this part of Uluwatu were busier during pandemic than it's now. This is like my personal observation. I'm not sure why, but that's facts. And the guy is going here, collecting the stuff. And this is it. That's the overall landscape of Uluwatu. Today, a little bit of the driving vlog combined with the beach. But together with Winnie, we're trying to cover a little bit different areas of Bali. Even we know as maybe they are not as that attractive or interesting like filming Kuta, Beachwork or Ubud Center, right? But we still want to show you something different. There's something is going on here like a little warung. But overall you find the land like this one. And a lot of cows.
And yeah, like you see that it's very dry, you know, it's very dry land here.
Yeah, generally it's very dry and totally different. I'm just only surprised a little bit. I mean, maybe not necessarily surprised, but I'm thinking about that all the time when we are driving, as literally everywhere there is land for sale or for rent, like everywhere. This is a little bit, well, I can understand why it's like that, but also it's only sign as not many people are interested to making a business in this part of Uluwatu. Otherwise, everything will be already sold out, but it's not. Where this is, yo, what's up? Some people going for the last shot of the sunset.
So I think that the more you go out, the more, what is it called? Civilization, right?
Yeah, but look at this abandoned building actually here.
It's an abandoned hotel building, right? Warung homestay, Barangan homestay. There are so many, I think that places to be rent for the surfers. I think that they have a different market here, right, honey?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. It's just different. It's just different. Some people may like it, some people may don't like it, but I could say as the time stuck here few decades ago, that's for sure. And maybe even better like that. However, somebody have a nice house here or hotel, or I don't know what is it. Yeah, something like that. Alright guys, so I would like to say thank you so much for watching and listening to today's video. A little bit different. Winnie is holding the camera, okay, not me. This is it. This is the area of Balangan. Little bit different. Wanted to show you something totally different today. This is it. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. We're going back home. Gonna grab some food. And as always, we will see you tomorrow on next one, right? See ya. Take care.
Bye. Oh, this is a brand new place. It's gonna be a brand new hotel. Wow.